it is really just top last season if you find these good launches. There's like another like really low cap one too. Um, this one I don't mind the chart too much. They manually unclocked it, but like you have these chart spammers. Um, and essentially now you have an overhead of one guy who's sitting with 40k. Have fun like uh, buying him out. It's the same problem we have with uh, Evo AI, where we have not even sure I can find it though. But essentially we have I think we have one big seller left, which uh yeah, it's this one. This guy is gonna be mental as we get out. And essentially some like half new technique where you like spam buy whatever, spam snipe the thing on a good launch and you get in as the first wallet after the bundle once. So you essentially have the best entry possible at all. Um, yeah, these guys are eating on even on the chart which has like 1 million volume last 24 hours. Just can't break out because these guys are selling. Um, so hopefully it does, but let's see what is it. Is it about Percy? Oh, it is. Oh shit! When was it done? 3 minutes ago. Oh, you could see like instantly. You can't hear anything. I guess you have to fix your settings. If you are setting, because mine worked for once. I hope. Yeah, so this was one of the launches I missed too. Fucking you. Um, casual Castilian access, but yep, Sora. Just don't know if this is enough volume to get these guys out. And don't mind the high tax. It's not high. It's like 5.5, which is normal. We had to like prices out, and I think you. Oh yeah, so one of them is out. Holy shit! Instant quality. Oh, it's the clock. Never mind. I think no, it's not because you would be able to see. Uh, fuck it. We go back to some shit we know. Yeah, so everything is down because Bitcoin is shitting itself. Um, it's like whole market is shitting itself. ETH is down fucking 8%, man. We can't catch a few nice days without everything being retraced into one candle, right? Um, grinding up for 3 weeks straight, gone in 3 days. We just can have nice things, and all these charts just looks the same, other than like Bitcoin. Um, and I was informed that there was some jobs data being absolutely shit. So less less potential of rate cuts and like market just shitting itself. Like SPX down 1%, Dow Jones 0.5%, Nasdaq 2% almost. Yeah, it's looking grim. But I guess like hopefully after today it's all fine. But yeah, everything is down. What's even one on my list for the top? Those cards is down. That's the only one. Anyway. This has some insane potential, and I wonder still if this wallet is the like I've been speculating that the team has been farming this whole chart sideways for a 1 month straight, and out of nowhere, this new wallet was funded like 5 hours ago, casually funded with 1.5 million and 200k. um, if you want to do it, you could probably trace these. No, maybe. If not, they have washed it on KuCoin or something. OKX 1.5 for this, funded by OKX. Yeah, so this is a big one. Just felt weird that out of nowhere a brand new wallet with 1.5 million would start bidding and just buying the biggest clips on this chart I've seen. But let's see if this continues, because in that case we're going to fucking hammer up. Yeah, no, server. But still, I don't say it doesn't have upside potential. I'm just saying that you're having an overhead of one. Oh, this is the second guy. So this one has 50k. This one has 50k. You have to price these wallets out to get this chart anywhere. I mean, yeah, you could buy at 300, get 2x, whatever. But is that really what you're here for? Not really. And again, it's like AI agents redefine tasks with precision, blah blah. Yeah, like I don't know. I'm probably skipping this. If I get a dip on sci-fi, will probably get in, but has to be through the night where all the eats comes out. Give some 50% if you're really lucky, like 4 mil. Otherwise, like all otherwise, like 5.6. This is still doable, like easily. If you get this, bid it. I have no idea which KOLs and stuff is in. I haven't checked. If any, not much. Venom call already, I know. Has same. Calf, I haven't seen. But the list is really small for a $9 million market cap thing. But let's see. Like 2.5 million 1 hour is good. Can really get around that. Then you had the other launch, CPI, yesterday. There's so many launches these days. I can really can't catch up. I can't remember them all. I know that dev, he's just a farmer. A good one though. Could still like move up, but his last project did not go well. Not much I can say. Like it's up to 10 million, 10 million in a bad market, and just grind it down. In my opinion, you already have to see a break, like either like today or tomorrow on this, otherwise it's going to be horrible. Because they are essentially saying the same thing, like spammers choking the chart, blah blah. It's horrendous at the moment, to be honest. I just wanna find the good projects and just top blast at some point. Like with Zen, full disclosure, I top blasted at 10 first time and just kept grinding up. I was like, okay, like we for the first time get a sweep of some all automized, and it's like I bid more, and that worked out pretty well. like almost perfectly, he'll be 80 mil first target. It's just what it is. Like Riot did the same thing. 80 mil, just a horrible, like a horrible. What's that called? I can't remember. Actually, it's up to 75, so front row ended up in. And then just grind until it breaks. And now you actually get the retest, which you might have been waiting for since here. 50%. It might be a good bit, to be honest. Because of this, like 2.9 million liquidity, you can size them pretty much. I don't really know. What's the ratio? But let's 2.9. What am I doing? My math is doing bad. So it's 3.6%. So that's not really too bad. You can size it in pretty good at this if you want. Run for like optimize, which is essentially a 2x, or like for the 180 up, like 200, 250. I think we can pretty much see the same on these charts. Link. It is more mature. And this is even 2.9 to 200 million, right? So the other one is good. For actually didn't struggle too much, right? Because this is the 80 million. So it actually broke through and like kind of struggle a little with the 100 and just break up and just continue on. What 400 million? What the fuck? And now it's just a bit sideways until it eventually breaks up from something like this, and you have like the bottom. So with all this like this big cluster thing, and you like easily just have pure sideways action until breakup, and you probably see plus 500. Pi, not this one. Just going over some of these late launches, which has been doing greater than the others, right? Here struggle at 50. Also a bit different market because of like early days, like October. And then you see 80 million. It's just this 80 million area is fucking with every chart. You didn't have a struggle with 100, you broke through, but couldn't keep up, and now it just sideways again, just like pinning. Pinning or high, which one would you choose? I don't know. Pinning has been sideways for some time, so it might have been next like soon. Rye probably have to see some sideways now after this initial huge push. Like I think it was daily. It has actually had a bit of consolidation, but not much. Ideally, you would range below like 75, 100, 75, and then break up and go ahead. Um, uh, Someone asking for a soul coin. It's not really me, and it's not. Oh, it is. It's 3 billion. I have no idea what the fuck this is, and I really don't care. It just launched and went from, I don't know, 250 to 500. Oh, wait, what is the correct one here? But it's not even 2x. I have zero idea what the fuck this is. Sonic SVM. First SVM chain to launch on Solana. Games and applications. Anything with games, you probably have to wait for like a zillion years. Like at some point, it might run. It's like all gaming coins at once. Until then, I don't bother. Um, so let me check if I missed any useful comments about what I should check. Yeah, so someone asked for this too earlier. It's some AI thing on Solana. I have no idea. um, why do I skip Solana? Because I really can't keep attention to all chains. I even missed like a good base launch today because I mean simply not possible to keep up with everything. Um, uh, Wilson asking for Node or like GPU. I guess. I mean you mean Node AI, right? Not Notify or some well those other weird shit. Um, so I had oh Nodely. Okay. Yeah, fair enough. This I've not really been following. Oh, and the chart looks horrendous. What the fuck is this? Nodely AI view computing made easy. I think someone asked me the other day, like 5th January. Yeah, like a few days ago, where it was up and was like, okay, like either you had this lower and you ran it up, or you simply don't care. This chart looks horrendous. Like you can't break any levels. It's just pumping up, gigapump into grind down, gigapump. It looks like a Solana chart where someone is gigapumping it to like farm the whole thing, pump again, farm, 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 pump, farm, farm, farm. I would never touch this shit. Michael, this one hurts because I missed it like with 10 million 5 a.m. dip, which was so perfect. Oh, it's really coming close to 30 though. Like this, someone asked me the other day on this too. Like 30 is the only real viable option here. And then you at least get a 2x to be also high levels. Essentially break those and go higher. It's backed by good KOLs and like you also have Kaji, but I mean you can't really get around that fucking guy. So, but it's looking good. This one is good and it's like consistent volume and consistently pushing. So, oh, fucking Raphael for asking for XL. It's been fucking weeks since someone asked me about that. Ugh, my lord and day. Anyway, yeah, so this one I'm like obviously in since I called it. Um, and you essentially again having some spammed wallets, which is holding the chart down. This one and the second one, I believe. Nope, there's one more. Yeah, this one. So you have like two spammed wallets, which you have to essentially price out in order to really break this chart. There's no one else really taking profits. So it's just these two. Um, it's going to be hard. Like 78k and 80k. It's about the same on both. The team is constantly pushing and like trying to break out with different KOLs, pushing more and more volume. So at some point, it's going to break out. I'm pretty confident in this one. And I saw some of the older ones getting fucking annihilated. This one is not looking hard anymore. Essentially, the last support is pretty much broken. Um, and the team doesn't really have much idea about the marketing side of things. They're constantly creating products and constantly delivering, but it's just not enough. Just really not enough. This one we might have to kill. Not sure. We'll figure out tomorrow. This one wanted to push today, but obviously they had to not do that because the market was tumbling. That would just be a waste of time. So if market recovers tomorrow, hopefully pushes tomorrow. But we'll still have the overhang of like liquidity getting locked in like 12 or 11 days now, which is horrendous. And it's my bad for not checking that shit. And I had no idea it couldn't be relocked. And I talked to like what is it called? Team.finance, Team Finance. I reached out to them to check if it was actually true or if well, like the if the team was just laughing. But no, they actually recently removed the feature to extend locking time, which is horrendous. They couldn't give me a reason why, but they just said they recently removed it. So yeah, that's just perfect. And unfortunately, for many like even experienced teams, it's normally to just lock, make the initial lock 30 days and extend after a successful launch. So you know if there's any contract errors, you can revert it like in 30 days and go start over again. But yeah, now they're getting fucked by that. And I think team finance is the only place where I can relock at the moment. I guess it's so weird. So that's just perfect, huh? Do I really want to open OXO? What do you want me to say? You had your exit. You got your all time. Then you've just been grinding down like this. Looks like this, right? So what is that? Are you going to be sideways for another year? Because you're back to no volume. Because new launches are like sucking out the liquidity, so you're like 700k is not really too interesting, huh? No, man, you wanted my thoughts. Otherwise, you shouldn't have asked, right? Hmm. Yeah, we can. All of us can't like everything, right? So I might be wrong, but yeah, this launch I was looking at too, and holy shit, I'm glad I didn't call this shit. I was eyeing it down here, and I was like, okay, so like this is. I know it's 15 minutes, right? But we can go to 1 hour. This candle is 2k volume. This candle is 30k. This candle 100, right? This candle is 15, 26, 62. I was like, okay, this chart has no volume. It's absolutely not going anywhere at this point. And then they onboard like all sorts of KOLs to push it, push it, push it, and now it looks like they want to reach this my level, huh? Like these spikes are just one clips. Um, I think the spike is like a 15 ETH one clip. That's like what the fuck? What the fuck is going on? And this has, let me see. So it's 2 ETH, so like the liquidity market cap is not so nice. What's gas speed? Oh, that's a good question, huh? It's quite funny how this suddenly became so popular by John Vine. But me talking about this, literally, I think, let's go back. Um, literally talking about it that I bought, yeah, bought here, broke the auto line, and I was like talking it up like daily for like 2 weeks straight. No one gave a fuck, and I've just been waiting. Yeah, and I remember a guy. I don't know if it was you, Gail. I can probably look that back. Someone aped after me and sold for a loss. Hmm. They they bought on this candle, but I essentially made a lot of this candle. I'm not gonna lie. I bought a lot. And someone top aped after me, and they sold. Yep, that was a great story. Huh? Missed 6x's, 7x on gigantic liquidity. I'm the first to admit that I've been rotating some of the profits out of this, mainly because this grind down into a push up reminded me of Leica, which I was playing almost to perfection. Wait for the initial. Um, this was just not a date, right? Uh, this was a bit more like fast forward, right? But like with the initial sell off from the public sale thing, um, and then run it up because all of the KOLs was pushing it. And then it just grind down to death, right? This is not really interesting. And like Gatsby was doing kind of the same thing. I just held some of this back. Luckily, to be honest. I even think they pushed the product from like also like Q1, the beta one, but I'm not sure. Um, Next levels on Eve. I'm long with Woods, entry and down bad. If you're long with Woods, I would suggest you just follow his trade. Follow his TPs, follow his stop loss, follow his entry, right? Because his levels might not be the same as mine at all. In fact, I don't really level them out too much because I'm just doing on chain. Beason. Yes, Beason is still up. Kind of like consolidating a bit after this like initial low, like these. But you know, again, no one wants to push today. Then, like the Node AI has been teasing for some updates, like never seen before, blah blah. Um, but I mean, you don't really want to push updates and push too much on a day where everything is going down. So for these, you just buy and huddle and wait. Um, Same for Zen at the moment, to be honest. Like, oh, that was nice, didn't know. Like, we can remove some of this. Like at this point, just wait. You saw what like one Becca set of eyes did? A 67% push. If it does that again, I'm pretty confident we break 80 and we see like at least 90, but hopefully 100 or 110. I know it's a long stretch, but the sellers is less now, I would say. That's why. Oh, this went to 10 million. Or tapped 10. No, it didn't. Someone's lying. Moss. Man, uh, don't ask me for soul coins. Also, this again, as I would say here, like if you're not in from here, if you're not in from here, just leave it behind. Just let it go. You're essentially getting into a worse risk reward ratio compared to all the people which accumulated in this, which was 2 days, and this was 3 days. Fuck how late am I? I've been live for I don't even know where to see. 30 minutes time. So yeah, if you're in from here, it's fine. If you're not, I wouldn't touch. And yeah, it's only like 20k, like 20 million market cap, but like the auto has 50. But for Solana, I have zero idea what the fuck these can do. But that's why I don't play Solana, because I've less experience and yeah, I just don't hit shit. BTC is still free falling. No, it has um, significantly slowed down. I would say. We can check. So much shit open now. BTC 5 minutes. Okay, maybe it hasn't slowed down too much, but it still has. It doesn't like the emails, like we used to think like they're not just sharp anymore. But I mean, yeah, the hourly is not looking nice, right? But the RSI is significantly over, so holy shit. Someone is saying send Sora in my private. Liquidation week still pending. Let me check. How much um mm, what's the candle? 44k. I want to definitely call this shit. OI, OI, OI. Yeah, OI is not really down too much. Unfortunately, I have to say it's actually spot selling, so that's not so good. Yeah, I'm not touching this. For your info, I don't touch this. I don't care. Can run without me. So yeah, we could still see a liquidation pick. But maybe not too many longs have been built up, to be honest, because OI was down while we were sideways. The OI was grinding down for the past day, which means not like people are like top aping 100x longs, whatever. Oh, Kensu has been Kensu called Sora. That's why it gained volume. That's weird though. Chat. What's chat? Actually, that's a lot of chat. I take this vector chat. This one people has been speaking about too, and it looks like again a bit too artificial volume, whereas like you see cables pushing and stuff. Um, but yeah, looks too artificial for me. And I have zero idea if this is usable. The name is open vectorjet project and the name of creation of it, etc. Sounds like a lot of blah blah. Uh, yeah, so don't really care about this either. There's a lot of things I just blatantly skip daily. Um, I'm opening this and I'm deleting it because this is pretty local. It's not so nice. And this looks weird. Good volume though. Decentralized network of assuming like all these AI engines, it's oh, zero mutuals. I would never touch this shit. Nope, 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 nope. Next. Oh, hash. Yeah, I fucking really love these old shitters. That's just old shit. Mm. This is the wrong one. Wait, is it not? Oh, this is correct. Again, you're competing with all these new proxies coming out. Pi, Pinlink, um, Arai, Sen, all of these projects by new teams, which you can see like clearly from the get go and like the launch, knows what they're doing, right? Why are you still sitting this shit waiting for? There's 2x4 also mine. Why? At some point, you gotta rotate your shit. What is the interesting upside in this at all? You had the most, like Hash was probably the most insane launch in March, April. Okay, it was at the like peak euphoria. Went straight to 280 mil in like 4 days. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 days. Like, what do you want from it? They're never going to compete with this, anyways. Heard some K1s are getting out. Yeah, and then so with less K1s, how are you going to push and show it to new people? My God, I don't care. Like, I mean, you can hate a lot of it. Um, like the best example, probably in this whole Discord channel, is Fat Tony. Fat Tony was in, I don't know, down here somewhere, like, I don't know, with John very early on OXO, ran it all up, round tripped it all, um, sold at, if I remember correctly, like two, might even below, around 200 area, like 250, I don't know, into Nero, which he ran up, I don't know, 20x. After that, he ran up with Ethereum. Like his portfolio is, I don't know, 5 or 10x whatever he had when he was just starting out. So you really gotta rotate in this game if you really like want to make money, in my opinion. If you don't want to make money, just set them. Like keep sitting in them. Or like take profits. I mean, this looked like OXO, but now is pushing again, right? You you essentially ran into all time highs. It's the OXO chart this year. Other than it was not grinding down, it was just sideways. So this, in my opinion, has always been looking better. But you got this, and you even got a retest. Take profits, for fuck's sake. Take profits. Don't look back. And then you said you'll take another minus 50%. Now you retest it again, and I'm 100% certain someone in this group has been round tripping this ultimate, this retest of ultimate, and this. Zero profits taken. If you don't take profits, like, why are you here?